A long time ago, Banyuwangi is known as Blambangan. Its kingdom has a wise king who has a handsome and smart son named Raden Banterang. Raden prefers hunting but often went to forests around Blambangan to hunt for animals. One day, Raden was in the forest. He spot a deer. He chased it. The deer ran deeper into the forest. His horse was so good and strong that he left his guards behind. Unfortunately, he lost the deer.
Where is Prince Raden? I don't know. Let's go back to the palace. Let's go.
As he talked or rest under a big banyan tree, suddenly a beautiful girl appeared in front of him. She was alone in the forest.
Excuse me, lovely lady. Do you live around here?
No, I don't live here. Actually, I'm not sorry to disturb you.
I'm Prince Raden Banterang, and you are?
I'm Princess Surati. I'm from Klungkung Valley. I am the daughter of the Klungkung Valley. The rebels killed my father, but I got lost. Now I am alone. I don't know where to go. I have no relatives here. Please help me.
To the right person. I'm Prince Raden Banterang of Blambangan. I'm going to protect you. Please come with me.
Thanks a lot. Can I call you Raden?
Yes, sure.
Then Raden took Surati home. He fell in love with her, and then several months after he married her.
Wishing you here become memories not enough.
One day, when Surati was in the street, we met the man called her.
Surati!
Rupaksa, is that you, my brother?
It's me.
Why are you here?
Raden Banterang killed our father.
Raden Banterang is now my husband. He's very kind of me. He never hurt me. He's protecting me as a good wife. I will not betray him. It is my duty to serve him.
Killed our father.
It is hard for me to believe it. When I met Raden, he was here and not in Klungkung. Rupaksa was disappointed with her sister. She was very angry and upset.
Please, Surati, take my headdress.
For you, my brother, I will take it. Several days later, Raden was hunting in a forest. When he met a man that looked like a prince, the man greeted him politely. Then he said something.
Is in danger. Someone has an evil intention on you. Who is he? Your wife, Surati. Surati? How do you know, Caprice? I have clear spiritual vision. I just want to save you. Search her room. Find a headdress under her pillow. And my words are for her. It is from a man. Help you. Her kill you. Thank you, Your Holiness.
When he reached the palace, he immediately searched Surati's bedroom. He found the headdress under the Surati's pillow. The press was right. Raden, what are you doing here?
You're not faithful to me. So you want me dead?
No.
This is the evidence. This is from a man who will help you to kill me. Tell me who he is.
This is my brother's headdress. I met him several days ago when you went hunting. He gave me his headdress and told me to put it under my pillow. So I put it to show my respect for him. It's Rupaksa who wants to kill you, not me.
Come with me.
Stop it, Raden! I'm hurt! Raden no longer trusts her. He decided to penalize Surati by giving her a death sentence near the river bank.
This is the end of life, Surati. I have no way to trust you.
Before I die, let me say a few words.
Please.
When I was died, just throw my body in the river. If the water becomes dirty and smelly, means that I am guilty. But if the water becomes clear and fragrant, means that I am innocent. Surati threw herself into the water. Amazingly, the water became clear and fragrant. Surati was innocent. Raden regret what he had done. From then on, he changed the name of his kingdom into Banyuwangi. Banyu means water and wangi means fragrance.